Have you ever wanted to do something that everyone else could do, but you couldn't? One sunny morning, Momo and DeeDee met someone who had a very big problem. A problem that made him sad every single day. But could they help him before it was too late? Let's find out. The sun was shining brightly over the forest. The sky was blue. A gentle wind moved through the trees. Momo sat on a branch eating a banana. "Today is a beautiful day," he said happily. Nearby, DeeDee was skipping beside a small stream. She splashed her feet in the cool water. "This is fun," she laughed. Suddenly, they heard a strange sound. Sigh. Then another. Sigh. It sounded sad. Very sad. DeeDee stopped. "Did you hear that?" Momo nodded. "Someone sounds unhappy." The sound came again. Sigh. The two friends followed the sound. They walked through the forest. They passed colorful flowers. They walked around tall trees. Soon they reached a large oak tree. There, on a low branch, sat a small baby bird. The bird had soft blue feathers. His wings hung sadly by his side. His head was down, and tears filled his eyes. "Oh no," said DeeDee softly. "Why are you crying?" The baby bird looked up. "My name is Blue." "What happened?" asked Momo. Blue looked at the sky. Then he looked down at the ground. All around them, birds were flying. Some flew high, some flew low, some played games in the air. But Blue stayed on the branch. "I can't fly," he whispered. Momo and DeeDee sat beside him. "What do you mean?" asked DeeDee. Blue sighed. "All my brothers and sisters can fly. They fly every day. They fly above the forest. They fly over rivers. They fly everywhere." Blue looked at his feet. "But I can't. Every time I try, I get scared." Momo nodded. "I understand." Blue shook his head. "No, you don't. Everyone laughs at me. My brothers say, 'Come on, Blue.' My sisters say, 'You can do it,' but I can't." Blue's eyes filled with tears again. "What if I fall?" DeeDee smiled kindly. "Everyone learns at a different speed." Blue looked unsure. "Really?" "Of course," said DeeDee. Momo nodded. "When I was little, I was afraid to climb tall trees." Blue blinked. "You were?" "Very afraid. I climbed halfway and climbed back down." Blue giggled. "Really?" "Really," said Momo. The little bird smiled for the first time. "Let's practice together," said DeeDee. Blue looked nervous. "What if I fail?" "Then we try again," said Momo. The baby bird thought for a moment. Then he nodded. "Okay." The first lesson began. Blue stood on a low branch. "Flap your wings," said DeeDee. Blue flapped. Flap, flap, flap. Nothing happened. He stayed exactly where he was. Momo smiled. "Good." Blue looked confused. "Good? I didn't fly." "You practiced," said Momo. "And that is important." Blue tried again. Flap, flap, flap. Still nothing. But this time he smiled a little. The next day they practiced again. And the day after that. Every day Blue worked hard. Sometimes he became tired. Sometimes he became frustrated. Sometimes he wanted to quit. One afternoon he shouted, "I'll never learn." Then he sat down angrily. DeeDee sat beside him. "Do you remember your first day?" Blue nodded. "You were too scared to even try." Blue thought about it. That was true. Now he tried every day. Maybe he was improving. Just a little. A few days later, something exciting happened. Blue stood on a branch. He flapped his wings. Flap, flap, flap. Suddenly, he lifted into the air, only for a second. But he lifted. "I did it!" shouted Blue. Momo jumped up and down. DeeDee clapped her wings. "You flew!" Blue laughed happily. "I flew!" For the first time, he believed he could do it. The next morning, Blue practiced again. This time, he flew a little farther, then farther, then farther. Every day, he became stronger. His confidence grew. His smile grew too. Soon, he could fly from one tree to another, then from one side of the clearing to the other. The other birds cheered for him. "Go, Blue! You can do it!" Blue felt proud. Then one afternoon, something happened. Dark clouds filled the sky. The wind became stronger. A storm was coming. Animals hurried home. Birds flew back to their nests. Momo and DeeDee started walking home too. Then they heard a cry. Help! It was Blue. A strong wind had pushed him away from his nest. He was trapped on a branch above a rushing river. The branch shook in the wind. Blue looked terrified. I can't get down. Momo looked worried. DeeDee looked worried too. The wind grew stronger. Blue's branch bent back and forth. You can do it, shouted DeeDee. Blue shook his head. I'm scared. Momo called up. Blue, remember everything you learned. The baby bird looked down. His heart beat fast, very fast. The river rushed below him. The wind howled. For a moment, he wanted to give up. Then he remembered all the days he practiced. He remembered Momo. He remembered DeeDee. He remembered never quitting. Blue took a deep breath. He spread his wings. The wind pushed against him, but he stayed strong. He flapped once, twice, 3 times. Then he jumped. For a moment, he dropped. Then his wings caught the wind. Blue soared into the air. Higher, higher, higher. He flew above the river. He flew through the wind. He flew all the way back to safety. I did it, he shouted. I really did it. Momo and DeeDee cheered loudly. Blue landed beside them. He could not stop smiling. You were right, he said. What? Not giving up. The storm slowly passed. The clouds moved away, and the sun came out again. Blue looked at the sky. Then he spread his wings. This time, he flew high above the forest, higher than ever before. Momo and DeeDee watched proudly. Their friend could finally fly, and he was no longer afraid. That evening, Blue landed beside them one last time. Thank you for helping me believe in myself. You did the hard work, said Momo. You never gave up, said DeeDee. Blue smiled. Then he flew into the golden sunset, stronger, braver, and happier than ever before. Sometimes learning takes time. If you keep trying and never give up, you can do amazing things.